Bansngau thu lang ye ka jingye ka baye kendu de ki nongtre ki ba khamat ki batre haktanat ka koi ka khya nadu ki doctor ki nurse par ki wei Myntri Rangbah ka jalaw kondot ke sangma hene ka singi ka arteri ujliyo ulalej bandrung dala desh ki kamra tri kamjongki hatura civil hospital dagba phong ye ki PPE hadin khindiat por e bolami nakite ki kamra la sakhi ye ka jingphu sep ka jongu bat babaro shirin yang kamet jongu kan jhieh pada apa ai jingkran Myntri Rangbah la pensngo ba kamdei ka basuk bandon sa akte ga jingphong met ka bayada ne ki khnyang khnang ba kinom yok sam shakamet ubrio badula ong kinong tre ka koi khya pat ki pendap e ka kamram jongki da ka ba phong da ki kenta kumta ka de ka kamram jongi bangin burom ki kendon pat panyada ya lede dalade
Dapat ada kita mending kan? Kamu sama aja tadi nih. Maka kita dokter iroke, nanti cuma growing sih kan? Coba juga akan tuh anda sebab kucing mana mu? Oksigen ini kamu. Jadi, babang, coba. Sampai lihat, betul salah. Harusnya. I've just completed the round of the COVID wards and just come out of my PPE kit, and in this 15 minutes, 20 minutes when I was there, I managed to meet most of the patients and give them the assurance that we will do everything we can from our side, and the doctors are doing a lot. They're working very hard, and in this 20 minutes itself you can see how difficult it is, the kind of conditions where the doctors and nurses have to work under, and I did it only for 20 minutes and they do it every day. So it's something that we must all appreciate, and we must realize that we have to take care of ourselves, and if we don't take care of ourselves, then there's more pressure and more risks to the doctors. So therefore, once again I request every citizen that follow the protocols and make sure that you're safe, so that we can be a part of this entire fight against COVID and reduce the stress on the doctors and on the medical fraternity.